Guys, alam nyo ba if you're traveling in Switzerland, pag may nakikita kayong ganito guys, meaning pwede kayong uminom ng tubig nila. Napaka-safe ng water nila dito, so don't worry, maiinom siya. So all you have to do is to bring, kung may ano kayo, bote kayo, so magdala lang kayo dito tapos pag nakikita nyo may nakita kayong ganito, pwede kayong uminom ng ganito. So it's so safe and don't worry, walang sakit dito. Switzerland is one of the safest water here in Switzerland. So ganun lang guys, so, magdala ng bote or Tupperware para sa water. It's libre yung water nila dito kung makahanap kayo ng ganitong mga water. So, you're allowed to get water there for free. So, ganun lang. See you!